May I now invite all the Arangetram kids to please come on to the stage for the Mangalam, which is the fitting finale for the day's performances. Can we give a standing ovation to these kids who has made it a true moment, a proud moment for Nadanam Dance School, their parents and all of us gathered here. Thank you everyone, thank you. I would now like to invite the dignitaries onto the stage to share a few words on the day's performances. May I now invite Sri Sharon to please lead the dignitaries onto the stage. Reverend Father Matthew, Mrs. Darshana Arun, Mrs. Meera Joy and Ms. Surya Gayatri onto the stage to share a few words to our lovely students and to the parents who's put up a great show tonight.
ഡാൻസിനെ കുറിച്ച് ആധികാരികമായിട്ടൊന്നും പറയാൻ അറിയത്തില്ല. അതെല്ലാവരും പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. നമ്മുടെ PhD ഡാൻസിലുള്ള ആളുകൾ ഉൾപ്പെടെ ഉള്ള വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥികൾക്ക് ഞാൻ നമ്മുടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ട് അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഡിസിപ്ലിനിങ് ഈസ് ദെയർ, എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് കോർഡിനേഷൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ആർ ദെയർ. യു ഹാവ് ഡൺ എ വണ്ടർഫുൾ ജോബ്. പ്രത്യേകം നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരെയും ആസ് എ കൺഗ്രാജുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഷെറിന് പ്രത്യേകം നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും പേരിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഗ്രേറ്റ് ടീച്ചർ.
Hello everyone. First of all, I have to tell congratulations all these beautiful girls to did their Arangetram, and thank you so much Sharon Jose for inviting us. It was a fabulous event. This is not the end for these girls. This is a beginning. So you all, moreover, you all have to go to the teacher and learn more and more. So Arangetram is just a beginning, not the end. Don't think, oh, you all finished and you all can relax. No, now only you all have to work really hard to bring your talent. Once again, thanks Sharon for inviting me to this wonderful event, and thank you so much.
Namaskaram everyone. I'm really happy to be part of today's Bharatanatyam Arangetram ceremonies. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Sri Sharon Jose for training these kids, for meticulously training them, for guiding them and bringing them in front of us as beautiful dancers. I'm sure that a load of effort has gone behind this show. It was very clear. So actually teaching these kids an Indian classical dance form is really hard, because these kids are growing up in an environment which is different from the Indian cultural environment. So teaching them all the mythological characters, the nuances of the stories, the gods and the goddesses, it's really hard. So hats off to their guru, Sri Sharon Jose, for all the guidance. Now it's a time to congratulate all these beautiful dancers. Elizabeth, Devishi, Cheryl, Teresa, and Eva. Wow, you all did a wonderful job today. You're all looking really beautiful. You all maintained good smile throughout. You had Anga Shuddhi, good mudras. Then what else? What else we can expect from them? They are very young. Elizabeth, I really see a very good dancer in you. Arangentram was the beginning of a dancer's journey. So I'm sure today's Arangentram opens up many more beautiful experiences for you. I'm wishing you the very best. Now is the time to congratulate the proud parents. I'm sure a lot of effort, hard work for supporting them, encouraging them, and introducing them to the art form. Actually, I would like to see every girl or every child to be dancing that to Indian classical dance form. So thank you to the parents for introducing them to the traditional, India's tradition, our rich heritage culture. Thank you so much. Finally, thank you to Sharon for inviting me. I really had a wonderful evening. Thank you so much, Sharon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Surya Gayatri and I've just been a year in Sydney right now, and this is the first ever time I felt at home. Sharon Jaitan and Jeena Chechi have been such a huge part of my journey for this 1 year, being a brother and a sister for me, guiding through all my time when I call them up and I'm like, it's so busy and I don't know how to handle. They have been there as a guiding light, so thank you so much for being there. And I'm so proud of you for handling this huge thing. Like, I'm very proud of both of you. Thank you so much. And to my students, I don't get enough words to describe how beautifully talented and blessed you guys are to perform here today. Congratulations and all the very best. You've got that in you, and keep it up for always. To the parents, I just have one request. There might be instances where they might not feel that they need to continue it. They might feel that they get busy with studies and different things. As an academic who is here with a full academic scholarship, who's doing her master's, I can guarantee you that you can find time for dance. And the biggest example is your dance teacher. He's handling all of this together. I have no idea how he can handle all of these together. So please, sometimes push your children to actually continue this, because they will get a lot of soft skills from it. From experience, I'm saying. So thank you so much for making me a part here, and thank you so much to the parents and the dancers who filled in. Amazing job. Thanks to all of you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
The last segment of today's evening, we have the presentation ceremony. It's time to congratulate all the budding dancers of the Nadanam Dance School. The dignitaries, may I request you to please stay on to the stage and please hand over the trophies to our Arangetram performers today who lead the stage. Starting now, we have Eva Anish, Teresa Cherian, Cheryl Tommy, Devishi Kalra and Elizabeth Cherian to please come on to the stage and collect your trophies from the dignitaries. Please continue our claps and applauses for these lovely girls on the stage, please. Cheryl Tommy. Devishi Kalra. And Elizabeth Cherian. Looks like a lot of Elizabeth's friends out there making noise. That's lovely. Please continue. May I now invite the junior batch kids of Nadanam Dance School to please come on to the stage to receive their certificates from the distinguished guests on stage. I now invite Rose Kurian, the tiny tots who performed today, Rose Kurian, Marisa Subin, Kezia Khanesh, Sarah Job, Rahel Rinto, Alaya Jomon, Ria Georgie, Anna Binto, and Chitragda Sinha. Can we have a huge round of applause to these lovely students, and may I request the distinguished guests to please step forward for the group photograph with these lovely kids, please. Thank you, kids. Moving on to our senior batch of Nadanam Dance School. Aileen Renju, Evelyn Renju, Nandana Sajid, and Amy Milton. May I now call upon the kids on stage? Aileen Renju, Evelyn Renju, Nandana Sajid, and Amy Milton. I'm sorry, it's Irene Umesh. May I now invite Irene Umesh to join the other girls on stage, please? Thank you, kids. Thank you, dignitaries. You may please take your seats now. We have a surprise for you, Sri Sharan. The kids wanted to give you a token of their love and appreciation for having put in years and years of hard work in training them into the classical dance form. So may I now request Sri Sharon Jose to please come on to the stage and be adorned with the small gift that the students have for you. Let's make some noise for the beautiful students along with their guru. Thank you students. That was a pleasant surprise for him. I'm sure he would have loved it. May I now invite Mrs. Reema Anish to propose the word of thanks for today evening. A small announcement to make before the vote of thanks. So we request the audience to be kindly patient for a few more minutes. We are in the last segment of today's evening. Soon after the vote of thanks, the stage would be open where if you need to take photographs along with the families, you may please come up to the stage. We have arranged this on a slot basis. The first one would be for Devishi Kalra's invitees. So we request after the vote of thanks, all Devishi Kalra's invitees to please come on to the stage. The family of Devishi Kalra would be here on stage and you can take photographs with them. Once Devishi Kalra's family finishes with their photographs, we have Mr. Tommy's family on stage, Cheryl Tommy's invitees. So you may please come up to the stage and take group photographs with Miss Cheryl Tommy and her family. Last but not the least, we also have Eva Anish and Elizabeth's family on stage, where the invitees for those two families can be on the stage to take the photographs. Thank you. So may I now invite Mrs. Reema Anish to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening all. Like they say, all good things come to an end. And here we are, at the end of the Arangetram event. Our efforts for last year has fruitfully come to a finale today. We would like to thank Almighty God for giving us this opportunity to be present here. But the real journey for our kids starts here. The efforts and training undertaken by the kids for the past several years have been proven today. It's with immense gratitude I would like to thank Sri Sharon Jose for having imparted his knowledge and nuances of Bharatanatyam to our kids. As parents, we feel very proud to see what our kids have achieved today. Thank you, Sharon Cheta. Thank you to Nadanam Dance School for having laid the foundation for a successful path ahead. At the outset, I would like to thank Reverend Father Matthew for having taken his time out and graced this occasion with his presence. Our children, so blessed to have you here this evening. Thank you, Matthew Cha. I'm really honored to place on record our heartfelt thanks to the special guest for this evening, Mrs. Meera Joy, Mrs. Yashoda, Mrs. Darshana, and Ms. Suri Gayatri for having made it here today to witness and bless our children. Thank you, teachers. Your presence means a lot to us. Special thanks to Anjali and team, Ms. for giving us a beautiful performance today. We would like to thank our sponsors, Shivanair from Revite, Desire Mortgage Solutions, and Mandy's partners for their valuable contributions towards this event. Would like to thank our kids from Nadanam Dance School, the Tiny Tots and Dancing Divas, who are the part of our extended Nadanam dance family. We would also thank their parents who have helped us in showcasing the talents here. This event would not have been possible without the efforts of some great friends who have been a pillar of strength and support to us throughout this journey. Our heartfelt gratitude to Divya Sajid for being an amazing MC for this event. You have been there with us since we planned this event, arranging meetings, coordinating with all the parents, follow-ups, and list goes on. You made sure everything was taken care. We greatly value your efforts and support to make this event a huge success. Thank you, Divya. Our sincere gratitude to Mr. Joyson Devasi, to official photographer for this event. His work is not only limited to covering this event, but he has helped us in leaps and bounds right from the shooting of the promo video at different locations. I'm sure you all agree with me on the outcome. Our promo video was a roaring hit among all the invitees here. Thank you, Joyce and Jeta. This wouldn't have been possible with your help and support. It's time to thank our Ronis. Thank you, Roni Cheta, for organizing the music and sound system today. Thank you, Roni Cheta, for helping us the video coverage today. Our special thanks to Niti Kalyani for making our girls look extremely beautiful today with your artistic skills. You literally carved them out today. We would like to thank Sidmel for all the support from Beena Ravi and KP Jose for this event. Last but not the least, I would like to call out my sincere thanks to our volunteers who have helped us put a grand show today. And all my dear friends, no words to convey the love and support you have given us. By being present here today, and your blessings and warmth mean a lot to each one of us. We wholeheartedly thank each one of you making this event a grand success. Thank you. Namaskaram.
Hey Rima, you have been so humble to exclude our dear parents from the word of thanks. Now, I take this opportunity to thank the parents of the Arangetram kids. Mr. Praveen Kaldra, Mrs. Satakshi Kaldra, Mrs. Rima Anish, Mr. Anish Pudieram, Mr. Tommy Varghese, Mrs. Tuma Tommy, Mrs. Gina Sharon, and Mr. Sharon Jose for your untiring efforts in putting up a grand show tonight. I, being a part of this, I knew the kind of planning and execution where we had to organize the minutest of the minutest things to put up a grand show tonight. So thank you dear parents, your energy and passion is what was showcased tonight. A special mention of thanks to Mr. Tommy Varghese who helped us put up a great stage in the backdrop. Mrs. Gina Sharon for her untiring efforts despite the Arangetram performances of her own daughters. She was here the whole day putting up this stage, and I'm sure all of you would agree with me that this is truly exemplary. Thank you all. Your efforts never go unnoticed. The dinner would be served shortly, and we request you to enjoy the scrumptious dinner served by Chaska Restaurant, Seven Hills. Thank you all. Shubhratri, good night. Thank you is just a note, a word. Thank you.